question is, let f be a function continuous on a comma b and twice differentiable on a comma b if for all x is we have this equation and this, and then for any this equation is greater than. So we just have to use LMVT for x is equal to LMVT for x is equal to a c. Okay, so then we have our equation in the question, fc upon minus fa upon c minus a equals f a where a is congruent to a plus c a comma c. So we have to use LMVT for x, LMVT for x congruent to c comma b. So therefore fx is less than 0, which means f dash x is decreasing. Okay, so from that we know fa is less than f dash beta. So now we just have to find fc minus fa upon c minus a, which is greater than fb minus fc upon b minus a. B minus c, not a. So from here we will see that fc minus fa on changing these places we will get this equation b minus c. So from here we can conclude that fx is increasing. Yes, increasing. So therefore fc minus fa upon fb minus fc is greater than c minus a upon b minus c, which is our answer. Hence our answer will be C.